Hi, I'm Jay Sellers with the Brunswick-Glynn Joint Water and Sewer Commission. I want to spend the next 2 minutes talking to you about sewer line inspection and cleaning. If you shower, flush a toilet, or run a faucet and notice that the plumbing is draining much slower than usual, please be familiar with how to check for common clogs and how to remove them. Modern sewer construction standards require the installation of a port called a cleanout at both the end closest to the main, called a lower cleanout, and the side closest to the house, called an upper cleanout. These cleanouts make finding and fixing drainage problems much easier than having to grab a shovel and dig up pipes. In the absence of a lower cleanout, as in the case of this house here, our technicians can access the upper cleanout, vacuum out any debris in the line, and mark any locations where roots have made their way into the pipe. Our technicians have video equipment that help them see down the pipe from the house to the street. We may find your sewer line broken in the middle of the yard, sometimes causing leakage that makes a foul odor. You would need to fix that. In other cases, we discover that the line is clear, but the connection to the main and the street is blocked or has collapsed. That's a repair that we would make. Any damage that we find on your private plumbing would be marked with spray paint or a flag. Before we leave your house, we will make every effort possible to ensure that any problem is resolved, or we have identified any repairs on your private connection that must be repaired by you or your plumber. Please check your plumbing and become familiar with the location of one or both of these cleanouts if you are connected into the public sewage collection system. If you do not have one or both, please consider installing these upper and lower cleanouts now before they are needed. Every day, the staff of the JWSC is here to serve you.